Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create an invisible folder in Windows 11 without any software or without CMD. So let's get started. Firstly, create a folder, right click on the display, then create new, then folder. Then now we click on start menu. Here you will search character map. Here you will see this is blank alphabet. Click on select, then copy, right click on the folder, then rename, then control V, then press enter. Here you will see the folder is now nameless without any name. Right click on. Now it's time to make the folder icon invisible. Right click on the folder, then click on properties, go to customize. Here you will see folder icon. Click on change icon. Scroll down until you found invisible icon. Click on the invisible icon. Then OK. Then apply. Then OK. Here you will see the icon is now invisible. Now how to find the invisible folder? Just press Ctrl plus A. Here you will see all the items will be selected. Now double click to open it like a normal folder. Make it visible. Right click on the invisible folder. Then click on properties. Then go to customize. Change icon. Click on folder. Then again OK. Apply. OK. Now rename it. Press enter. Here you will see the folder is visible again. And that's how you create an invisible folder in Windows 11 without installing anything. If you found this trick useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and hidden features. Thanks for watching.